All right, so if we think about this problem on the left side, I'm going to work out my tiles just to show you how this would look with the tile. We can do it with this one because we don't have a lot of extra we don't have a lot of extra unit tiles. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. So I'm going to have 2 tiles on top and then 2 X tiles on the bottom. And then we have 1 unit tile already on this side. Now, we want to make sure when we're doing what's called completing the square, we want to make sure that all our constants are on the other side of the equal sign before we complete the square, because otherwise it's not going to work out for us. I mean, yes, you could think about it. In order to make this a perfect square, you would need to add 3. But if you add 3 to this side, you would need to add 3 to that side. And it should, let me see, that gave you 7, 8, 9, 10. Yeah, that still would work out that way. But let's go ahead and cancel out that 1 unit tile. If I canceled out that unit tile on that side, I need to cancel out 1 unit tile on that side. So those X's are gone. So I'm just going to go ahead and drag them out because they've been negated. All right, now in order to make a perfect square on this left side, I need to add 4 unit tiles. If I add 4 unit tiles there, I need to add 4 unit tiles on that side. So now that gives me a total of 10 here. So you could have just added and figured out what you need to be on that side. But it's easier if you think about it, taking that square. I'll show you why in just a moment. I don't want to get too convoluted on this slide to work this out. So the constants isolated, the dimensions are going to be, so that's going to give us the dimensions of x minus 1, and that's going to be squared. So shift 6 squared, and then that's going to be equal to, so now our equation is going to be equal to, that's going to give us 10 on the right side. So that's going to be x squared, x minus 1 squared equals 10 in terms of our new polynomial in terms of this problem here. If you were also talking about, let me do this as well, so that you see how that would look. So this would be x squared, and then that would be minus 4x, and then that would be plus 4, and then that would be equal to 10. So the first one would be the new trinomial, perfect square trinomial, and then the second one, and not plus minus 1, plus minus 2. What am I doing? It's good. I caught that mistake that I made. So then here, from this point, we can take the square root of both sides. So what we've done it to this point is what's called completing the square. All right, now on this tile, I would like you, or on this slide, try to do it without the tiles.